just so you can have some profitable deals like we just had right now. It's amazing, guys. Yes, guys, it's amazing. Another successful deal, and this is amazing. Our third profitable deal for today. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So my name's Anna, if you don't know, and today, as always, I have a very special topic prepared just for you, and we are gonna talk about a very common and popular topic in trading, and we are gonna talk about Japanese candlesticks. So if you want to trade well, you definitely should know this, so stay tuned. And as always, before we start talking about this topic, I just wanted to remind you that I have my own Telegram channel. So if you want to get more information, some free signals, you should definitely join. It's completely free. The link is going to be somewhere here or in the description. So join. I'm waiting for all of you guys there. And I think right now we are ready to talk, so let's get started. Okay, I think we're gonna set the platform, and then I'm gonna talk you and then I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the candles, and I think we're gonna make a couple of deals together just so you can see how it works in practice. So let's set the platform. So we are gonna start with choosing the assets, as always, with the biggest payouts, as many as possible, just so you have the variety. We're gonna use candles for 30 seconds, and make sure that you enable all the settings over here. And we're not gonna use any indicators today. Our time frame is gonna be 1 minute for today, and I think I'm gonna bid like $200 today. So that's it. Now that we have set the platform, let's talk a little bit about candles and Japanese candlesticks. As you can see over here, we have these candles. So, and it's really crucial and important if you want to trade well and make some profit, is to understand what do they mean and what parts do they have. So this is what we're gonna talk about right now. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit so you can see them in a more clear way. So every candle has some parts, and the main part is the body of a candle. So it can be really long, and it means that the trend is really confident. So for example, right here, this candle is really long, and usually it means like a confident uptrend over here in this case. Yeah, and on the other hand, if the body of a candle is not that long, it means that the trend of the price is not that strong. So usually the body has two like endpoints over here in the up zone and down here. Depending on what type of candle is it, they can mean different things. So usually we have two types of candlesticks, the bullish one and the bearish one. So the bullish one, for example, is this green one. You know, it means that as a bull pushes the price up, the whole trend is going up as well. So usually it has this green color. And what does it mean? It means that the opening of the price was in the down area, and the closing of the price was in this area. So the market definitely pushed the price up, and it means that we have more buyers than sellers right now. And yeah, we have a strong upward trend. And on the other hand, if we talk about the bearish candle, for example, as you can see over here, it's the opposite way. So in the up zone, it has the opening price of it, and in the downward zone, it has the closing price of it. So as the bear pushes the price down, this is exactly what's happening on the market as well, and we can expect a downward trend as it's happening over here right now on our asset, as you can probably see on the screen. So this is the main body of a candle. So another thing that we can also pay attention to while trading is the wicks or the shadows of a candle. So these are these two lines that we have. They can go both ways, and up and down. Usually we have another type of a candle over here, for example, that's called the hammer. So we can have the bearish, the bullish ones, and the hammer. So it has a really short body over here, but a really long wick or a shadow that's going down. And usually this type of a candle means that the trend of the price is gonna change, and this is exactly what happened on our asset over here, as you can see. So this long wick, makes us sure and lets us predict that the flow of the price is gonna change. And let me maybe find you another example of an inverted hammer. So basically it's the same one, but we have a really long wick that's going up over here. It means the same, we have a change in the flow of the market, but it's gonna be the opposite way, the downward trend. Yeah, and for example, also we can have like double bearish candlesticks. For example, like this one, we had a pretty confident one over here, and then the other one again. So it means that the downward trend is pretty strong, and this is what happens over here too. So understanding that, you can predict what's going to happen on the market and sell or buy and make some profitable deals. Yeah, so let's maybe start trading together, and let's make a couple of deals so you can see how it works in real life. So let's go. Yeah, let's maybe start even with this asset, so we can see that we have this candle, and it has a pretty long wick that's going down over here. So usually it means a little change in our trend. For example, as like over here, the price was trying to compensate. Yeah, so this is what I'm expecting over here right now. Although this long candle is kind of showing us that the market is still trying to push the price down. So let me zoom out. Yeah, but we have stumbled on a support zone over here. So the price has started to bounce back. This is actually one of the things that I probably should say as well, is that you can always analyze the candlesticks, and of course you can make your decisions based on them, but you also shouldn't forget about the context of the market itself, just so you can have some profitable deals like we just had right now. It's amazing, guys. Yeah, so while trading, of course you pay attention to the candlesticks and the things that you understand about them, but make sure that you pay attention to the whole context of the market and what's happening on it, and use your understanding of a technical analysis also. So after this amazing deal, I think we're just gonna keep going and keep trading. Okay guys, let's keep looking until we find a suitable asset over here for us just to trade a little more. So this one, it seems like we're going to have a really massive upward trend over here, and it seems like we have already broken through the support zone over here. So I think, yeah, let me zoom out a bit more. Yeah, so I think let's see and wait out how this candle is gonna close, but I'm positively sure that the price is gonna grow a little bit over here until it reaches at least a point somewhere here. So that's why I'm buying. Also, as you can see on this candle over here, so we have, as I have already said, the body of a candle over here, and we have a shadow or a wick looking down over here. So what does it mean? That this price on this level over here wasn't really suitable for the market, so it decided to push it up towards this level over here. Usually such long wick in the down area of a candle means that the price is gonna grow again, and this is exactly what's happening. So I think in a couple of seconds we're gonna have our profit, and yes guys, it's amazing, another successful deal today. So let's just stay tuned and keep trading until we talk about it a little bit more. Let's pay attention onto our other assets. Over here it looks like we kind of have the same situation as we did before, but let's maybe pay attention to the bigger picture over here and see whether the price is gonna grow or maybe we are just bouncing back a little over here. Yeah, let's maybe wait out and see how this candle is gonna close, and I think this one is gonna really help us to indicate what kind of decision we should make right now. So, judging by this candle, as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, this is the inverted hammer. Yeah, we have a really short, almost not existent body of a candle over here and a really long wick that's looking up. And this is also a bearish candle. So what does it mean? It means that this shadow level of a price, this level of a price wasn't suitable for the market, so it has pushed it down towards this level. And although we just had a bit of a bounce back over here, you can see that the general trend of the price is still going down, and I think in a couple of seconds we're gonna have our another profitable deal, guys, for today, just using this candlestick analysis. And this is amazing, our third profitable deal for today. So I think we're gonna make just one more, so I can show you one more time how you can use this information about Japanese candlesticks, and we're gonna call it quits for today. Okay friends, let's make one more deal and talk a little bit more and analyze the market a little bit more together. But at first, let's find the asset that looks really promising for now over here. So let's maybe wait out and see how this candle is gonna close. So yeah, for now, let's pay attention one more time. We can see a really long wick or shadow of a body that's going down. One more time, let's analyze this situation together. So this shadow means that this level of a price wasn't suitable for the market, so the buyers decided to push it up towards this level over here. So what does it mean for us while we are trading? It means that the whole trend of a price is going to change, so that's exactly why I have decided to buy over here. And as you can see, for now the price has actually begun to grow, so I think in a couple of seconds we're gonna have our another successful deal for today, and it's just using the understanding of the Japanese candlestick analysis, and this is amazing. We just had our profitable deal for today. Yeah, so I think that's it. I really hope that this video was useful for you, that you could learn some new information about candlesticks. So if you're gonna try it out, make sure that you comment something down below if you have any questions whatsoever. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it helpful. Yeah, also I wanted to remind you one more time that I have my own Telegram channel. It's completely free. There is like a lot of really cool information, some free signals. Yeah, so join. As I said, I'm waiting for everyone. Yeah, so this was my understanding of Japanese candlesticks. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.